Banh Mi sandwich with lemongrass chicken. In this video, you're going to see how to make the 3-ingredient Banh Mi sandwich sauce, make the quick daikon and carrot pickles, grill juicy and delicious lemongrass chicken, and assemble the best lemongrass chicken Banh Mi. The fastest way to get there is pickle the daikon and carrots first. Julienne them in any ratio you like. I love when it's a bit more carrots than daikon. Then give them a gentle massage with 1 or 2 teaspoons of coarse salt until both the daikon and carrots soften a little and bend like so. Set them aside to rest and prep the marinade. Combine half cup of warm water with 4 tablespoons of white sugar and add half a cup of white vinegar. Stir until sugar completely dissolves and return to the veggies. Rinse the julienned carrots and daikon under the cold tap water and let them drain in a colander. Then place them in a deep bowl or a jar and pour the marinade over so that it covers the veggies. Close with lid or wrap with a film and let them marinate until you prep everything else. Next, let's marinate the chicken. My choice today is skinless and boneless chicken thighs that are best for Banh Mi sandwich. They are easily cooked and you don't have to debone them and remove the skin. For marinade, you will need fish and soy sauce in half-half ratio, minced garlic, minced lemongrass, and brown sugar. Before mincing the lemongrass, beat it with meat tenderizer and take out the dry outer layers to enhance the flavor. Toss the chicken thighs in all this goodness and set aside to marinate for a few minutes. Now slice the variety of peppers, both hot and sweet. I like using all pepper colors, yellow, orange, red, and green, and here I have mini bell peppers, jalapeno, and fresno kinds of pepper to stay on the mild spiciness regime. Red onions, slice them as well and make sure to check all ingredients and measurements that I left in description below and hit subscribe and bell buttons if you want to hear from us again. Okay, squeeze the juice out of 1 fairly large lime and combine it with mayo and sriracha to make the 3-ingredient Banh Mi sandwich sauce. Hit the grill pan, it's the best for the lemongrass chicken, and brush it with a thin layer of high smoke point cooking oil and start grilling. Let the chicken thighs grill for 3-4 minutes on each side and don't move them around the pan while they grill. Best results happen when the pan is not overcrowded, so grill the chicken in batches and transfer to a large platter once cooked. Cut the baguette into 3 parts, each of which will turn into a heavenly delicious Banh Mi sandwich in just a minute. Spread the sauce, then goes in the chicken, topped with a pickled daikon and carrots, then peppers, and a couple branches of fresh cilantro. Invite friends over and enjoy the best lemongrass chicken Banh Mi with a glass of your favorite beer. Thanks for watching and stay well, folks!